should think twice, would you wanna be like you?
I passed the English test. Now let's proceed to the next step, which is the system check. I was patiently waiting for the admin staff and a bit nervous at the same time, of course. I was number 3 in queue. Then suddenly I heard a loud sound. Hello. So here they were asking my name. My name is teacher Giselle. They were telling me that there was a problem with my background. The admin staff was so nice. They were explaining the problem in a nice way. Okay, it's them. Yeah. Okay. Alright, guys. Goodbye. Thank you. This is my second try. First try, there was a problem with my camera because I'm using Manicom app and I cannot switch to built-in cam. So that's the first try, and this is my second try. And they said my background is too dim, so they want maybe white background, I think. So here we go again. This is my third try, and I tried it the same day again, but at a different time and in a different place. Hear you?
Tell me your name, age, and nationality.
Okay, I am teacher Giselle. I'm 26 years old and I am from the Philippines. I am a Filipino.
Okay. And where do you live in the Philippines? In what city?
Farlac City, sir.
Okay. And is that your room for teaching?
Yes, it is.
Okay. And may I ask also if have you applied here before?
No, this is my first time to apply in your company. Hello?
Okay.
Okay.
So may I ask if do you have any teaching experience?
Yes, I have. I've been teaching for 5 years. Hello?
Hello, in what school was that?
Okay. So I've experienced being a primary teacher here in my country for 2 years, and another 2 years in China as a kindergarten teacher. And also I've experienced being a private and company tutor for 1 year.
Okay, so thank you, and also I recommend you to please have have a good or stable internet connection because it's kinda like you're freezing and you're sometimes delayed. Okay, so make
Okay.
sure to have a good internet, and I'll let you pass in here. Congratulations, you can proceed to the demo. Study well the learning kit found in the learning key tab after this because you only have one try for the demo.
Okay, thank you, sir. Have a great day ahead.
Okay, so that's it. Thank you so much. Congratulations and have a nice day. Bye bye and see you soon.
Goodbye. See you. Thank you.